Hi friends, let's solve the next question. Consider the sequence. In this question there is a sequence which is given and there are some blanks. We need to fill these blanks. Usually what happens, this type of question will have group of 3 letters, 4 letters or 5 letters. This is what usual pattern is. When I observe this, A dash then B C D, then again I have dash B B C D, then A B C dash D. It means it has a group which is ending with D, that is 5 letters. 1 2 3 4 5 letters. 1 2 3 4 5 letters. 1 2 3 4 5 letters. So it has group of 5 letters. So this is a sequence of 5 letters. All right. So let us start with the option A. Option A and option B have P as the first one. What if I put P here? This becomes A B B C D. Next letter is A. So this will become A B B C D. Both of them sound logically perfectly fine. They are exactly the same. So this is fine. What about the next one? Either D or C. What happens if I put D? This becomes A B C D D, and this becomes A B C C D. They don't sound same way as the first two groups, because first two groups had ABB, ABB. So these two also should have ABB, but they are not. So these two options can be eliminated. They are out. So let us try with the option C now. This will be A. This will also be A. So this becomes AA, BCD, ABBCD. What is the logic here? If you observe, first letter is repeated 2 times in the first group, and in the second group, second letter is repeated 2 times. This means in the third group, third letter, which is C, should be repeated 2 times, and in the fourth group, fourth letter, that is D, should be repeated 2 times. Okay. Okay, so this is A B C D, then I have A B B C D, A B C, this has to be C, C D, A B C, last one is D. Okay, so A C D should be the answer, which is option C. Let's get started with the next question. Two persons P and Q enter into a business. P puts 14,000 more than Q, but P has invested for 8 months. So this is related to profit and investment. Profit is equal to investment into time, this concept. If P's share is 400 more than Q's share out of the total profit of 2000, what is the capital contributed by P? Okay. So this is the main point for us, where we have to understand what is the profit ratio. Okay. So profit is P means profit. Okay, so let me write it as PR. So PR, that is profit, is equal to P's share plus Q's share. Okay, so what it says here, if P's share is 400 more than Q's share, P is nothing but 400 more than Q, that is Q plus 400 plus the normal Q. What is the total profit? 2000 rupees, the total profit. So 400, I'll send it this side, it becomes 2000 minus 400 is equal to Q plus Q, 2Q. 2000 minus 400 is 1600 is equal to 2Q, or Q is equal to 1600 by 2, which is 800. If Q is 800, what is P? Plus 400. P is equal to 1200. Okay. This we got it from the hint given in the last segment of the question. Now let us go back to the beginning of the question. Profit of 1 is equal to investment of 1 into time of 1, or let me say profit of P is equal to investment of P into time of P, divided by profit of Q is equal to investment of Q into time of Q. All right, this is the concept we are using, because profit is equal to investment into time. Now what is the profit of P? It is 1100, divided by what is profit of Q? 800, equal to what is investment of P? It says P puts 14,000 more than Q. So whatever Q puts plus 14,000, into 8 months is given here, to 8 divided by Q is Q, so how much time? 10 months. Okay, so let me first solve on the left hand side. 0000 gets cancelled. 4 3s are 4 2. Okay, so 3 by 2. Here can I cancel? 2 4s are 5. Okay, if I cross multiply this will become 3 into 5 15 into Q. On one side 15 into Q equal to, this will be 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into Q 8Q plus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 14 112 followed by 3 zeros. Alright, now 8Q I'll send it this side, becomes 15Q minus 8Q, that is 7Q equal to 112,000, 1,12,000 rupees. Okay, basically, so Q is equal to 1,12,000 divided by 7. So if we divide this, get how much? 7 ones are 7, then 42, that is 7 6 are 42. 16,000 rupees is Q's investment. Okay, investment of Q is 16,000. We know that P is nothing but Q plus 4,000. Sorry, Q plus 14,000. Yes, we have it here, 14,000, because P puts 14,000 more than Q. So P is equal to 16 plus 14,000 is nothing but 30,000, the answer. So option A, 30,000 is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. P's salary is 20% lower than Q's salary, which is 20% lower than R's salary. By how much percent is R salary more than P salary? So what we can do here, we have P, Q and R. Which is highest one? P is lower than Q. So Q will come here, P will come. Q is lower than R, so R will come here. Alright. Since the Q is in the middle, I can take this as 100. You can do otherwise also, you can take R as 100 and come down also. That is also fine, no problem. As of now, Q I am taking as 100. P salary is 20% lower than Q salary. So which means 20% lower means 20% less. So this will be 80. Q salary, which is 20% lower than R's salary. R's salary 20% lower than R will be 125, because 125 cut 10% is 12.5, 25% is 25. Sorry, 20% is 25. So 125 is the R's salary. 20% less means minus 25 will give me 100. Then this will be minus 20 will give me 8. Okay. Now what is the question? By how much percent is R's salary more than P's salary? R's salary minus P's. How do we calculate? R minus P divided by, that is latest minus previous divided by previous into 100. Okay. What is R? 125 minus 80. P is 80 divided by P is again 80. That is 125 minus 80 is 45 by 80, 100. Fine. So here you can cancel this 1 0 1 0. Say 2 5s are right. You can do this way, or if you want without even simplifying this, you can calculate. That is 450 by 8. You can do this way. 450. I didn't simplify. I'm just going straight away. Right. You don't need to simplify here. So this 45 into 10 by 8. So 8 5s are 40. I got 50. 8 6 are 48. I got 56 point something. If you observe, we have option B 56.25. Once you know it is more than 5, you can stop right here and just click the option. You don't have to wait for the entire answer. You don't need to calculate the entire answer. Once you know it is starting with 5, since we have only option with 5, that is 56, this is the answer. A number is mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by. What is the percentage change in the result due to this? Okay. So let us take some numbers. One number, was supposed to be multiplied by 5, 4, but by mistake it was divided. Got somewhere. Okay. Since this is 4 is involved both sides, I'll take multiples of 4 only. I'll take 4 on the 4. I'll take 4 because the number it was supposed to be multiplied by 4. I was supposed to get answer as 16. But by mistake it was divided by 4, so I got it as 1. Okay. What is the percentage change in the result due to this? Percentage change is equal to, what is this? The difference, 16 minus 1, 15 divided by, this is the percentage change. Okay. Guys, you don't have to do any calculation here. Just observe the options closely. 25%, 50%, 72%, 93%. And observe these two numbers. This is 15, this is 16. We know very well that 15 and 16 very closely related. That is, if I divide 15 by 16, definitely I am going to do more than 90%, right? 16 is definitely going to divide this 15 by more than 90%. And I have only one option with 90%, that is option D, 93.75%. I'll simply go ahead with this, because if it was 24%, it should have been 4 by 16. If it was 50%, it would have been 8 by 16. If it was 72, it would have been 12 by 16 approximately. Alright. Since this is 15 by 16, very close, it is more than 90%. I'll just simply go ahead with option D. Okay. You might think, sir, why did you take only 4? Why not some other number? Yes, you can take multiples of 4. Let us take the next number, 8. 8 into 4, 32 is what I was supposed to get, but I got 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Now let us see the difference again. 32 minus 2 is 30 divided by 3200. Again, 2 15s are 30, 2 60. Again you get 15 by 16. Or here directly 30 by 32, which is again closely, very close to 90%. Fine. Next question. In an examination, 80% of students passed in English, 70% of students passed in Hindi. This is related to Venn diagrams. Very simple and straightforward question. So, write Venn diagram. We have two subjects. I am going to draw two circles. The first circle is for first subject, that is English. Second circle is for, okay. It says 80% of students passed in English, 70% passed in Hindi, and 50% failed in both. This is very important for us. Guys, whenever you solve Venn diagram related questions, this both, you know, this part is extremely important in Venn diagrams. 15% failed, so I got 1 5 here. Okay, 15% failed. Let me just draw it neatly. This point, the both point, is extremely important in solving Venn diagram question. 15% failed, it says. So I am going to take only failed. I should not take the passed number. If 80% passed means 20% failed, correct? So in English, 20% failed. 20% failed. Same way, if 70% passed in Hindi means 30% failed, correct? So Hindi will be 30% failed. So overall, in English, 20% have failed, which means common is 15. So this will be 20 minus 15, which is 5. Same way here, 30 minus 15, which is 15. Okay. Now what is the question? What is the percentage of students who failed only in one subject? This part is only one subject, that is 5. This part is also only one subject, 15. 15 plus 5, 20%. Option B is the correct answer. A father said to his son, 10 years back I was as old as you are now. Okay. My present age is 4 times your age. This is crucial here. My present age is 4 times your age n years back. If the sum of the present ages of the father and son is 130, again important, sum of the present ages, what is the difference of their? Okay. We can do it by two methods. One is quite lengthier, by putting the year ago x and n, x minus n, all those things. I'll show you one more very easy method. What is the present age sum? 130. Okay, so let us take this is father. Now difference of their age is they are telling 30 years. If I have to get the difference as 30, how much do I take? First will be 80, correct, minus 30, which is nothing but 50. Okay, the first option I'm taking. 80 minus 30 is 50. That is difference is 30 years. Okay, same way father is 81, this will be 49. What is the difference now? 32 years. Father is 82, 48, the difference is 34. Father is 83, 47, the difference is 36 years. Okay, because 50 plus 30 is 80, 49 plus 32 is 81, 48 plus 34 is 82, 47 plus 36 is 83. Okay, so I've taken all the four options, A, B, C, D, all four options I have put here. The difference, because they're asking difference of their ages, correct? I've taken now. Now look at one more important point it is mentioned. The father is telling, a father said to his son, he's telling my present age is 4 times your age n years back. He says that his age is 4 times. Can you see which number is multiple of 4? Can we multiply with some number and we get 83 possible? No. 82 possible? No. Right? 81 possible? No. 80 is possible? Yes, absolutely. This is multiple of 4. Right? So this will be the correct answer. Option A, 30 years is the right answer. This is the easiest way. You can go a long method also, but it will take a lot of time. It's better to go this way. Then this one, the 30th question, 1000 liters is 1 meter cube. Then you got 1 metric ton is 1000 kg, 1 hectare, 10,000. This is very basic conversion of the units. All three are correct. So option D, 1, 2, 3 is the right answer. I hope the video was helpful to you. Thank you.